So in this lesson, we'll start giving the materials to all of these small details that we have in our scene. We have here some flower. So let's just click standard. And let's see. You can put darker a little bit. Actually, I think like a pink here will be better. Yeah, like this. And everything else, leave it as it is. Here I'm just going to click standard. And I'm going to leave as well. And this as well, standard. And I'm going to change the color to some green. This can be to your taste as well. So maybe something a little bit darker. Yeah, something like this. It's okay. This here, I'm going to add a glass material. We have this interior volume. It looks nice for this type of objects. But actually, since this one doesn't have any mesh inside, it looks weird to have just like empty bottles laying around. So what we're going to do instead is to go to the new and click standard. And just leave it like this with you can put some color, like, let's see, some like this. Something like this, it's fine. And this one's gonna put them as like a chrome. So let's just increase this, this, and this. Okay. Now here we have some napkin. Let's just click some standard and just reduce the gloss and reflectivity. And the dispenser, same thing, but here and here, and reduce this. And these towels, click standard. About here, gloss, the reflectivity. This one, we can leave this one. And these boxes, can click here and just reduce the gloss and the reflectivity as well. Same thing for this one. Actually, we can change the color of this one a little bit. And this, I'm going to change it because, as I said before, nothing is completely black. So actually this one was not completely black, but still I'm just going to increase a little bit, like this. Okay, and now I'm going to reduce the glossiness about here. I'm going to copy and paste here. Okay. So now we have these materials here. Can reduce here and here. Actually increase the colorization on this one. And maybe to something more yellowish. Then copy, do the same to these ones. But to give some variation to this one, we'll just paste and then change a little bit the color. Something darker. So just adding here a little bit of random colors. So this part you can select what you think it suits best to your scene. And these ones can be like this. These two boxes, I'm just going to reduce the gloss, reflection, and add a stone weathering as well. Let's see about here. Okay, now let's move to this, actually this area here. So this one I'm going to reduce the gloss, reflectivity. This one just select standard. And I like the gloss on this one, so I'm just going to leave it like this, just going to put it a little bit gray and increase a little bit the weathering. Now let's see what else. So now we have all of these items. Click standard. And for this, let's put like a pink color or purple, like this. Actually a little bit less, more like this. Okay. And since it's so far away, I think we can leave it as it is here. Just this one that it's glass. Let's put the interior volume glass. Okay. Now we have here this carpet. Let's use a fur material in various, and then you go to fur. Let's select this one, warm white fur, and we'll just double click, go to RGB, and just change the color to a more white color or beige. Beige is fine, like this. Then everything else, leave it as it is. Okay, so now I think we can call this material section finished. And in the next one, we will start adding our render presets.